Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another slow, peaceful Sunday that I get to spend with you. I am starting my day with a little bit of stretching, just easing into the morning gently. These quiet moments, they feel like a small gift to myself, a chance to just be before the world starts asking things of me. The calm before the noise. So come along with me. Let's move slowly, breathe deeply, and begin this day with softness together. After spending some quiet time with myself, I slowly moved to the kitchen. Cooking has become such a comforting part of my routine. Do you remember those days when we were little? When homemade food didn't feel exciting enough? When we craved something from outside, something different? But now, as we grow older, we begin to understand there's something incredibly special in the food made at home, especially when it's made with love, like how our moms used to cook for us. And sometimes when I cook now, I get this strange, beautiful feeling that somehow I have captured the same warmth, the same taste that my mother used to bring to every meal. It makes me feel proud. And honestly, that's why no matter how busy my days get, I try to cook myself, not just the food, but for the process.
मैंने नोट्स पे लगाया। हाँ। मैंने इतनी प्यार से लगाया था। स्क्रैच लग गई तो
And then sitting down together for our first meal of the day, talking, smiling, teasing each other, just being present. That's a different kind of joy altogether. A quiet bliss. These little things that make even ordinary day feel so special. As we grow older, peace starts to come from simplest of things. Not just food anymore, but little rituals, quiet spaces, soft joys. For me, it's my plants. Over time, I have realized how much I love caring for them, watering them, taking care of them, simply watching them grow. There's something so beautiful about being responsible for the life outside of your own, nurturing it patiently, watching it flourish, one leaf at a time. Sundays often become our time together, me and my little green corner. And honestly, I've lost count of how many plants I have now. Each one has its own space, its own mood, its own rhythm, and I love them all. In a world that's always rushing, this slow tending of something gentle feels like a quiet rebellion. It brings me back to myself. If you have been following my vlogs, you might know that lately I haven't been feeling myself. Even after full night's sleep, I was waking up tired, like my body has rested, but energy wasn't there. I ignored it for a while, like many of us do. But finally, I got my blood work done, and it turned out I'm dealing with quite a few deficiencies. My hemoglobin was low and my vitamin D3 was way below normal. It explained a lot, the fatigue, the fog, the constant feeling of not being fully me. I've now started taking medication and slowly I am beginning to feel better. My energy is gently returning. It's a process, but there's light. And I want to say this, especially to all women watching. Please don't ignore your health. We tend to keep going, brushing things off, thinking it's just tiredness or maybe I didn't sleep well. But often our bodies are telling us something deeper. Get your tests done, take your supplements, nourish your body with good food, with rest, with care, because you deserve to feel well. You just keep up with life, but you have to enjoy it too. These small steps are making big difference for me. I hope they can for you too. In the middle of working all week and spending weekends catching up on cleaning and chores, I realized something. I wasn't really spending quality time with myself.
Bro, bro.
Today, I chose to pause and gift myself a little pamper session. I stepped out for a fresh haircut. Something so simple, but it made me so different, so light, so me. I also went for a facial and just being out, being with myself, doing something purely for joy. It shifted something in me. And to every woman watching me right now, I want to gently remind you cleaning your home is beautiful. It can be therapeutic, But remember to clean your mind too. Make space to feel like you again. Take that time, step out, get your nails done, get your hair cut, your skin cared for. Not for the world, but for the women inside you who holds everything together. After this small self-care ritual today, I felt so good. So good. And I truly hope you get to feel this way too, because you deserve it. After this new fresh haircut, I was feeling so different, so light, so refreshed. When I got back home, I couldn't help myself. I started trying out these fun little hairstyles, just playing around, feeling happy in my own skin. And I thought, why not share this little goofy side of me with you too? It wasn't for anyone else, just for me. Me embracing the new, me feeling joyful, me being me. And maybe you do the same too, quietly in your own space, celebrating small changes, simple joys, and feeling of coming home to yourself. If you do, let me know. I'd love to hear about your little moments.
Okay. Yes, Wellsbury has many programs. We've got like Springboard, Auto, Meco, Culinary, BB. My last school just had school.
I hope you enjoyed this calm, slow, relaxing day with me. If you liked spending time with me today, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It really helps me grow and it means world to me. Sending you so much of love, power and peace. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.